Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be making a instant glow face mask. You can use this before any occasion if you want a very nice natural glowing skin. So this is a very simple and easy to make mask. It's going to be a fruit mask, fruit based mask, so you can use any fruit. Today I'm going to be using dragon fruit here because I have this puree available. If you want to use papaya puree, any other fruit puree, you can go ahead and use that, which has some skin benefit. You can also use avocado puree. Now with the dragon fruit, it contains a high amount of vitamin C, which helps to give a natural glow and shine to your skin, which instantly makes your skin look brighter, glowing. So we are going to be making this mask today. For this here I have my aloe vera gel, ready-made aloe vera gel. If you all know how to make it, you all can make it and use the gel. Here I have a little bit of aloe vera oil, again highly conditioning and moisturizing for the skin to give a very nice soft smooth skin. Once you remove the mask, we'll go ahead and mix this in with the aloe vera gel. So you will see this has got a lovely texture. Now in this we'll go ahead and add our dragon fruit, the puree that we have made, and we'll go ahead and give it a good mix till the time all the gel doesn't mix in well with the dragon fruit. So we'll keep mixing. So now, since dragon fruit has a very jelly-like consistency, if you all can see this, to give it a nice sturdy mask-like consistency, so that you can easily apply it on your face. Even you can apply this on your hands and legs. So we are going to be binding this with kaolin clay. So here I have taken kaolin clay. You can go ahead and use any other clay of your choice. Kaolin clay is one of the most mildest and gentle clay which suits all skin types. So we'll go ahead and use this clay, and again we'll mix this well with the dragon fruit till all the clay powder doesn't get dissolved in the solution. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed in all the clay well with the dragon fruit, and this is a beautiful texture that we have here. A very nice mask-like consistency, which can be easily applied on the skin. You need to apply this, you need to leave it on for at least half an hour on the skin to get the benefit, and then you can just wash it off with normal water. You will see the lovely glow and clarity on your skin when you wash off this mask. Now since this is an instant mask and it is made with fresh puree, you have to use this as soon as you make it. You cannot store this. If you want to store this mask, you need to refrigerate it, because we are not adding any preservatives. It's just a make and use instant mask. So whenever you need to, you can make it, use it and finish it off. So please do give a try to this, and you will definitely love the amazing benefits that it has on your skin. And if you like and want me to share more such videos with you all, more such instant glowing masks with you all, which gives instant results, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.